Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Marquisha Dion, and now I'm back with a new video. In this video, I am making my best seller Peppermint Rose Lip Gloss. It has a peppermint scent and is infused with real rose petals, y'all. Yes, real rose petals. Did y'all know that rose petals have antibacterial properties to help heal breakouts such as cold sores and cracked lips? I bet y'all ain't know that. But y'all, before we get into this video, which we already did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so y'all can know when the next time I'm posting, which gonna be real soon, y'all, because I'm trying to get in the habit of posting every day. Yes, I'm trying to get in the habit of posting every day. But yeah, I'm not gonna stop doing this video. It's not a long video. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, y'all go ahead and finish watching me make this lip gloss. It's a bestseller, y'all. My website is coming soon. Trust and believe. Trust the process, baby. It's coming real soon, y'all.